Hey coin collectors and rare coin hunters, this is 1939 S Lincoln Cent, mint state 68. The 1939 S Lincoln Cent, though common in lower grades, stands out as an exceptional rarity in MS68 red condition. The highest grade ever certified, NGC has documented just 2 coins at this lofty grade, while PCGS has certified 5. This specimen features a vibrant copper-orange tones complemented by unblemished, lustrous surfaces. Its sharp strike further enhances its visual allure, making it a prized addition for discerning registry set enthusiasts. This true gem ended up selling for $2,520 on November 20, 2024. By the way, if you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to stay updated on the latest numismatic insights, market trends, and collector's tips. Moving on with this error buffalo nickel, 1938 D 5-cent piece with Over-Mintmark error, D punched over S, graded in mint state 67 plus by PCGS. The FS511 variety is characterized by the remnants of an S mint mark from the San Francisco Mint, visible beneath the D mint mark of the Denver Mint. This occurred when a working die initially prepared for San Francisco was repunched and used in Denver, a rare and collectible error that drew significant interest among specialists. In MS67 Plus PCGS, this coin represents an incredibly high-grade example of the variety. At these levels, the coin exhibits the razor-sharp details, particularly in areas that are often weakly struck on buffalo nickels, such as the bison's shoulder and the Native American's hair and braid. Surfaces are pristine, with exceptional luster and eye appeal. The plus designation indicates that this example stands out even among the other MS67 specimens, making it one of the finest known. This error coin was sold for $1,320. The 1940 D Jefferson nickel in MS68 condition with full steps. It is a remarkable and exceptionally high-grade example of this early-date Jefferson nickel. Coins from 1940s, while produced in large quantities, are notoriously challenging to find in top grades, with the coveted full steps designation making this coin a standout for collectors focused on quality and technical precision. The full steps designation refers to the sharply defined horizontal lines on Monticello steps on the reverse. To qualify, the coin must display at least 5 distinct and unbroken steps under magnification, which is rare for coins of this era due to weak strikes, worn dies, and post-mint handling. Achieving this designation in MS68, the highest grade awarded to the issue, is exceedingly rare and places this coin among the finest known. In MS68, this coin is essentially flawless, with perfect luster, crisp strike details, and immaculate surfaces, free of visible marks or distractions. The Denver Mint in 1940 produced over 43 million nickels, but very few struck with the care or survived in the condition necessary to achieve this elite grade. It was sold for $2,280. The 1941 Mercury Dime in MS68 full bands, graded by PCGS, is an exceptional and highly coveted coin showcasing the pinnacle of quality for this iconic design. The Mercury Dime, designed by Adolf Weinman, is considered one of the most beautiful US coin designs, and coins with full bands designation are especially sought after by collectors. The full bands designation refers to the sharply defined horizontal bands on the facets on the reverse of the coin. To qualify for this designation, the central bands must be fully split and distinct, with no merging or interruptions. This detail is often the first to show the weakness in the minting process, making FB examples far scarcer than their non-FB counterparts, especially in ultra-high MS68 grade. At MS68, this coin represents near perfection. It boasts stunning luster, razor-sharp strike details, and flawless surfaces that are free of visible marks or distractions. The combination of the MS68 grade and full bands designation places this piece among the finest examples of the 1941 Mercury Dime in existence. PCGS has graded only a handful of coins at this level, with none or very few finer. This one was sold for $1,380. Here is rare Washington quarter with a major error, double die reverse, graded as MS66 by PCGS and later proven by CAC. The 1942 D Washington quarter has a both dramatic reverse double die and reverse double die. But FS801 stands for reverse double die. Dramatic spreading is apparent on all facets on the central device and most notably on the eagle's beak, the wreath, and the bundle of arrows. Warm iridescent toning graces the margins with interiors brilliant. No bothersome abrasions are evident.
It was sold for $6,600 on November 20, 2024.
Here is 1940 half dollar with attractive toning, a registry candidate. The 1940 Walking Liberty half dollar in PCGS MS68 is an extraordinary example of one of most iconic designs in US coinage, created by Adolph A. Weinman. The Walking Liberty half dollar is celebrated for its artistic depiction of liberty striding confidently towards the dawn, symbolizing progress and freedom. Coins of this caliber represents a pinnacle of numismatic preservation and artistry. At MS68, this coin is virtually flawless, exhibiting exceptional luster, razor-sharp details, and pristine surfaces that are free of any significant marks or abrasions. The strike quality is exceptional, with full detail evident in Liberty's gown and Eagle's feathers. Air is often found weakly struck on lower-grade examples. This coin's superb preservation places it among the absolute finest survivors of 1940 issue, with none numerically superior at PCGS, a fact that underscores its rarity and elite status. It was sold for $6,000. And this is proof 1938 Washington quarter, graded as PR68 by PCGS. The Mint produced over 8,000 proof Washington quarters in 1938, and this superb gem stands out as one of the highest graded examples certified by both NGC and PCGS. The coin's outer edges display an exquisite multicolored patina with vibrant hues of orange, yellow, green, blue, and magenta, while the central areas retain their brilliant reflective surfaces. It was sold for $6,600 at Heritage auctions. And this is 1983 Lincoln Sand with double die reverse, graded in Mint State 63 red by PCGS. The 1983 Lincoln Sand double die reverse is one of the most notable varieties in modern US coinage, prized by collectors for its dramatic doubling and historical significance. The doubling on the coin is prominently visible on the reverse, particularly on the inscriptions 1 cent and E pluribus unum. Also the columns of the Lincoln Memorial. This bold doubling is easy to spot even without magnification, making it an especially popular variety among collectors and key piece for Lincoln Cent specialists. This specimen was sold for $280.62 with buyers at GreatCollections auction. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to smash like and subscribe buttons. Have a good one and see you in the next video.